How to use Aragon AI, a professional headshot photo AI. You may need headshot photos in different situations. For example, to create a resume or your LinkedIn account or other businesses. And it is very time-consuming to want to get ready now and take a professional photo in the studio in the shortest possible time. Well, with the help of Aragon AI, you can create 100 headshots in less than half an hour. And you only need to use a few selfies or any photos you have in your phone gallery to create these professional photos for you. And it is very easy, fast, and cheap to use. First, you need to sign up. To sign up, I add the link below in the description. Click and use your Google account to sign up easily in second. Make sure to use the link below because with this link, you will get discount. I show you how to get discount at the end of the video. Now, this is the most easiest panel in the world. Choose if you are looking for team member headshots or individual. First, I show you how to make personal headshots, and then at the end, I show you the team management settings too. Aragon will ask you some questions of your features appear in the photos. Your gender, your age, hair color, hair length, your ethnicity, body type. Choose the best answer you think is near or exact to your features. If you need a quick, affordable headshot for something like LinkedIn or a website or any resume, Aragon AI is worth a shot for you, especially if you have decent input photos to work with. After all these questions, you need to upload at least 6 photos of yourself. I uploaded 6 photos earlier. It doesn't matter. Photo is a studio or it is a selfie in the garden or street. Just make sure your faces appear good. I upload a same photo here, but you have to upload different photos. And these are just some samples for you and what not to upload. After all, click on Continue option here. After this, you can immediately choose and download your images. But first, you need to upgrade your account. Here you have 3 different plans, which the last one is the most valuable one, because you will get 100 high-quality headshots just in 30 minutes. It will generate your photos in 40 backgrounds and outfits and 40 poses, which is great. The next plan is the most popular one, which most people choose this. It will generate 60 high-quality photos in 1 hour in 20 backgrounds and outfits and poses. And the last plan is the cheapest one, which take 2 hours to generate 20 photos and 5 backgrounds, outfits, and poses. As I said, most people choose basic. It is more affordable than the premium and more valuable than the starter plan. It is up to you. Make sure to use the link below in the description. Then add this coupon code here in this box and click on Apply button. It will decrease the total price. I put this coupon code in the description for you, which you can use after clicking on the link itself. Now, let me show you the team managing setting. If you have a company and want to make headshots for your team member, you have to choose this. Then, this will be your main panel. Here you will see your credits for each member. From this part, you can invite your team members, even with their email address or invite them with a link. After that, each person can create their own headshots in Aragon using their email address. Now, if you have some rules for the headshots, you can customize them here and save it. Or you can allow your team to make their own favorite headshots. It is up to you. Make this and changes and save. Your team members can only create headshots from what you specify. From this section, you can determine the number of team members you have and then click on the Purchase option and purchase credits. Then the number of credits will be added to these credits. And for each credit, you can add 1 member to your list. Aragon Headshot Generator is really fast, easy, and gets the job done. And I can say, at least 80% of the photos received from Aragon looked very realistic, not AI generated. You can try and see the result for yourself easily. After you complete the payment, you will get the photos in the time you choose. Using this AI to create headshots in today's world seems cost-effective, and you can have a lot of headshot photos in the shortest possible time. Especially if you are a company or need headshots for your team members, the fastest possible way is to use Aragon AI. Use the link below to take advantage of the discount. Using Aragon AI, you can quickly create a large number of professional photos and use these photos in different profiles.